If you are wondering if there is a bloatware on Motorola Edge 70, then the answer seems to be unfortunately yes. I just have performed the initial configuration. You can still see that some of these apps are pending, they still are being installed. And yeah, we do have some apps that are definitely a bloatware, like for example Booking, the Adobe Scanner, the Opera browser, TikTok, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. And the best part is that during the initial configuration we are informed that these apps will be installed, but we don't have the option to turn it off, to prevent them from being installed. This is just like a big middle finger for users, just to show them that they can just do it, and that's pretty much it. Of course, we can still uninstall these apps if we want to. Well, we have some additional Moto apps over here, Motorola apps, which I guess it's fine that they are here because, well, it's a Motorola phone, so of course Motorola will use Motorola apps on their Motorola phones. Duh. But yeah, there are still some apps, as I mentioned, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.